Hello everyone. In today's math challenge, we will look at this father, son, and slide question. It has been adapted from a very interesting math question I have seen recently from the internet. Anyway, there are a father, a son, and a slide in their local park. One day, the father and the son are playing a height measurement game in the park. Firstly, the father stands on the top of the slide, and the son stands on the ground. It turns out that the father is 320 centimeters taller than the son. And then they swap the position. So now the son stands on the top of the slide and the father stands on the ground. And this time the son is 200 centimeters taller than the father. So based on the following two facts, I'm not asking you the height of the father or the height of the son. So the question is, what is the height of the slide? This question is quite tricky, and you do need some clever strategy to solve it. So you can pause the video here and spend some time, and then we come back for the answer. Okay, let's have a look at the answer together. I'm sure there are several different ways to solve it, but for me, I still recommend our traditional algebra method to crack it. Firstly, let's set the father's height as x, and the son's height as y, and the slide's height as z. So based on these two diagrams, we can establish two equations. Firstly, from the diagram on the left side, we can easily see the father's height plus the slide's height minus the son's height is equal to 320. So the first equation is x plus z minus y is equal to 320. Similarly, from the diagram on the right side, we can see the son's height plus the slide's height minus the father's height is equal to 200. That means in the second equation, y plus z minus x is equal to 200. And normally, for the simultaneous equations with three unknowns inside, we need three equations to solve them one by one. However, this is a very special case. If you observe the left side of the first equation, we have got x and minus y here. And for the left side of the second equation, we have got y and minus x here. This just indicates us if we add the equations 1 and 2 together, for the left side, this x and this minus x, this y and this minus y, they will cancel themselves out, only leaving z in the equation. So this will be easy to solve. So now we just add these two equations together, and after canceling both x and y, we will get 2z is equal to 520. So z is equal to 260. So that means the slide's height is equal to 260 centimeters. So this question is another example to demonstrate the usefulness of the algebra method. And I hope this is a good opportunity for you to train to use the algebraic method to solve the questions like this. Thank you very much.